ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Moto Unboxing. On today's episode, we got something a little bit different. We got a Vogma V40 air duster. Used everywhere, blow your worries away. Let me actually open it up and get rid of the plastic so we can see it a little bit better. So it's a portable air duster, air blower, a little fan of sorts, and the model is V40. We got a Type-C charging port, brushless motor, pretty small, 350 watts of power. We got 10,000 milliamp hours, and the weight is about 425 grams. And why I'm excited about this thing, and I hope it does have some power, it's not only for just dusting off my computer. Why I'm excited about this thing is, as a motorcycle rider, after I wash my bike, I want to dry it off and get in all the electronics and all the nooks and crannies and blow out all that water. And hopefully something like this will help me get through that. And that's a beautiful thing. So here we go. We got a little manual here. And we got another manual. So there we go. What's inside? We got some nozzles. We got a cable. We got the unit. We also got some earplugs, which is interesting. There we go. So let's find out, how do we switch. So first nozzle is for cleaning snow on the car, leaves, bonfire. Yeah, you can also blow a bonfire with this, which is amazing. The second nozzle is for cleaning computer cases, keyboards, game consoles. Third one is for pet hair, inflating swimming rings, cleaning conditional filters. So install air nozzle with the outer slot, then push the nozzle. Align the air nozzle with the outer slot, then push the nozzle into the outlet. So it says that the charging time is 2 to 3 hours, and battery work time fully charged is from 15 to 120 minutes. I'm guessing 15 minutes is on full blast. So let's put all this to the side and look at the actual unit. Boom, boom. All right, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Let's put this in there. So here we have the unit, and here we have a little bag for it to store all the bits and pieces. That's cute. Then we got a charging cable, USB-C. That's also cute. And then we got the cute little earplugs, adorable. Oh, and these are not bad. These are actually nice earplugs. Nice little container as well. So the very next thing would be these brushes. So this would be to go inside your keyboards and whatnot. And then we got this one to inflate things. That makes sense. And this here is more direct air, and this is more of a blow. So we're gonna put away these two. We're gonna mess with these two. There we go. Let's put this away. We are a motorcycle rider. If I'm gonna wear earplugs, it's gonna be for something a lot more serious than this. So here we go. Let's peel off the little tape and release the beast. It's cute. It has like a little plastic little knob here on the button to make sure the button doesn't get pressed. That's adorable. So here we go. So we push it down for 3 seconds, and I haven't charged it or anything. Let's turn it on, hold it for 3 seconds, and now we have a little wheel. And there we go. Oh, it actually is pushing my hand a little bit, but you can see how when you turn it on, and this is on standby mode when it's flashing green, and as you twist this little knob, the thing turns red, and that's your max. And you literally have like a little turbine back there. It's kind of adorable. Look at it. And this is the output. So let's try it. Oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, there we go. So we line up the bottom thing, and just like that. And as far as drying the bike, this is gonna get the job done. I wish I had my bike in front of you guys right now so I could dry it. It's over there, and it's not wet. So let's push around some leaves. Obviously, I can already tell that this can blow away some dust off a keyboard, and it could definitely blow some water off the bike. Let's blow some leaves. This is kind of hilarious. And these are wet leaves. These are wet leaves. These are not like dry leaves. Yeah. All right, let me try this nozzle, see if it makes a difference. This is actually pretty freaking amazing. I'm actually surprised. Look, this thing is actually blowing freaking leaves, wet leaves. This is hilarious. I am legit impressed. All right, here we go. I'm being 100% serious. I am impressed with the power of this thing. Wow. This will 100% dry a motorcycle, and I feel like I should do another video when I'm drying a motorcycle later on, you know, testing this baby, but this is amazing. This is actually really cool. It feels nice in your hand. There's a little bit of weight. And it does freaking blow. It does what it tells you it does. Look at this. Oh yeah. This will blow off the dust off my motorcycle, no problem at all. That's right. Ooh, watch out. Okay, boys and girls, so that was the unboxing. Let's put away our little bits here. All right there. Super cool. I am officially impressed. Color me impressed. This is super dope. So, Vogma V40 air duster. I could totally recommend it, and I will do a video later, maybe another video where I actually dry my bike with it, because it 100% will do exactly that, or blow the dust from weird places in your apartment, computer, whatever. Could freaking clean out the gutters with this thing. Anyway, thank you for watching, and you can get one in the description below.